Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently sitting on the shoulder off of 309 going into Philadelphia area. Going to get into Germantown Avenue, drop off these units, and then later on we're going to be going to another job in Wall Township, New Jersey. Sorry if the traffic's a little noisy, but I did shut the truck off so at least you could hear me. But I stopped, got myself a couple pictures of the truck in the sunrise. I'll show you those. And now, putting some cameras on. I'm not gonna put one in the cab because I'm only going like 3 minutes down the road, and then I gotta figure out how we're getting this job. I was told it's very tight and I just have to get as close to the crane as I can. I have no idea what I'm in for, and I don't quite know why we had to put it on this trailer because it's only 2 pallets, but whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll see what we can do. Might be a fun little back end deal, I don't know. But I'm gonna stick the 360 on the back of the trailer. I got a GoPro to put on the back of the cab. We'll figure out, you know, how it goes from there. And if this is like crazy tight and all that, and it's like super good, then maybe this will be its own video. Because, you know, the thumbnail and the title, if it's like really good back or whatever, it's worth it. But if not, I'll put both jobs in one video. It's just gonna be what it's gonna be, and then we'll figure it out. So that's the game plan. But once I get over there, I'll let you guys know, see how this goes. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I had the wrong bank. I figured it out. It's that Citizens Bank. The other one was a TD. But we got to get behind it. And the old man showed up because he was in town. He's got a job right around the corner, so we're gonna go scope it out before he's got to go to work. We're gonna see if we can fit. How's that sound? So we gotta make a left. And then this left.
Got this. I back in.
Yeah, but I'm saying I'm gonna back into this parking lot is what I was thinking.
Well, I would back all the way around.
No.
Yeah.
Pull up to the right and then back in.
Nah.
How am I gonna make that jack around?
You good, because you'll fish this pole, go right over the grass.
I'd have to.
Yeah.
I think pull up there and then back in.
I don't know. No, you'll be on that Navy sidewalk. You ain't getting that.
Nah, I could suck the axles up a little bit on the land all.
Oh, yeah.
And then in here. Alright. That's doable.
Fuck it, I just pull it.
What, back down that street and pull up to here?
Just pull right in.
Back down there though.
No, just drive right around and drive right in.
No, I can't make that left.
Why can't you?
No way. Yeah, that's doable. Not what you're saying. I can't make that left, I don't think. I don't see that. Like, it is tight.
You have to back in from here. If that car wasn't there, you're gonna have to come right across that car. I would make the left right in here, left and left, right into this driveway.
Left and left, you think?
Yeah, left and then pull right and then spin around while you're in there.
If they moved that them 2 cars, maybe.
Nah.
A little bit of room to pull past it. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna be tight. We'll see. Okay, well, I was wrong twice. It's not CD Bank. That was definite. It's not the Citizens that we were told it was. It's actually this job fair behind me. So we're gonna go through the people, figure it out, and then I'll let you know. So apparently it is much worse than we thought. It just said we ain't fitting, but let's see. Check it out. All right, so this is how we're doing this, and I have to try to do the same thing. So just pull up and then back in. I think I can do it. So I'm gonna try it. Worst case, I'll suck the wheels up on the land all. That's the goal. Let's see if we can get it done. gonna say I did horrible, but it wasn't my best job. I couldn't see this curb here with the front of the trailer. So I didn't know if there was a wall there. I didn't take a good enough mental picture, so I was a little nervous to hit that. So that's why I pulled up a couple times so I can get a visual on it. But we made it. No issues, no problems. Like I said, it wasn't the prettiest thing. It wasn't a one-shot deal, but we made it. I was just trying to hug that thing as close as I could, that little island there, and then follow it around. So I'm glad it worked out. I'm glad we got in here. Makes the day much easier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And I'm gonna end this video here. A little short, but it was a good one. And then, like I said, later on, me and our new driver with our new truck are going to a little evening job. So you're gonna meet the new driver and see the new rig that my boss put together. Really nice unit. And then, yeah, see you guys in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.